Hello friends, this is Johnny from AAAwave.com. Now that we have our mining frame fully assembled, it's time for us to install the hardware. For this rig, we'll be installing a motherboard, a processor and memory, a solid-state drive, a power supply, 6 PCI-E risers, and 6 GPUs. Let's begin. Alright, let's begin our build. Our first piece of hardware is a Gigabyte motherboard. It is a Gigabyte GA-Z270P-D3. It is a LGA 1151 socket and has 6 PCI-E slots, a combination of a 16 by and 1 by. And for the processor, we will be using an Intel Celeron G3950. For this build, we're going to keep it very simple, especially when it comes to mining. The processor does not need to be something super fast or many cores. And as far as memory, the memory, we're just going to use one stick of 4 GB DDR4 memory. It is going to be a crucial 4 GB. Our next piece of hardware that we're going to install would be a Kingston 120 GB SSD. Capacity does not need to be large at all, as we're just going to install an operating system only and a mining software. That's it. Something small, something basic, something that you may have laying around. Now here comes an important piece of hardware. It is going to be the power supply. Now don't forget, the power supply will need to be able to handle minimum 6 GPUs. So what we're using here is a Seasonic Snow Silent 1050 watt power supply. It is an 80+ platinum certified. Now with this mining rig, we're going to have 6 GPUs. There is no possible way that we're going to fit all 6 GPUs on the board. So what we're going to use are PCI-E risers. The one that we're using is a version 007. Essentially what it is, it's an extension from the PCI-E slot on your motherboard to the GPU frame. Now for our powerhouse. The powerhouse is our GPU. We're using 6 of the MSI RX 470 Armor Edition 8GB overclocked. And these MSI video cards, they are using the Hynix memory. Okay, I'm back. Wasn't that simple? With the AAAwave mining frame, hardware installation is pretty straightforward and should take no time at all. Until next time, keep mining.